Hello guys, welcome back to Spider Monkey English Lessons. Today I have two brand new vocabulary words for you today. They are cognate words as I talked about in my previous lessons. What are cognate words, you say? Cognate words are words that sound similar, but they have totally different meanings, and they usually spell differently also. But as always guys, before we get started, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so, and it would be greatly appreciated. Two words I'm talking about are capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, and capital, C-A-P-I-T-O-L. These words are spelled similarly, but they do have two different meanings. Capital can have different meanings depending on the context, but it often refers to the city or town that serves as the center of government or commerce of a particular region or country. It can also refer to wealth, money, assets, investments used to generate income. Here's some examples of using the word capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L. London is the capital of England. Here's another example. The company raised capital to fund its expansion plans. And another example. Capital refers specifically to a building that houses a legislative body, such as the U.S. Capitol building in Washington, D.C., which is where the U.S. Congress meets. Here's an example. The protestors gathered outside the state capitol building to voice their concerns. So while the words capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, and capital, C-A-P-I-T-O-L, may sound similar and are often spelled similarly, they have distinct meanings and are used in different contexts. Well guys, I hope you understood those two vocabulary words in English. Practice is the key to understanding the English language. Look it up in the dictionary, those two words, in your own language, so you can have a better familiarity with what these two words mean. Also, make a comment, guys. Make a comment on my channel. Let me know how you feel about these English lessons and if they are helping you. And also, like my page, guys. Please like my page. It's very important. And also hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as I always say, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, check out the next video, and I will see you doing the next English exercise. Bye.